All right, welcome back. And today we're going to be rewriting sums in sigma notation. So we're going the opposite direction than we went in the last video. So I have a sum, and I'm going to assume that these start with the first term because we're not told otherwise. So unless otherwise stated, we're always going to assume that we're starting at 1. Sorry, I just really didn't like that sigma. It was very weird looking. Okay, so I'm just going to use n. You don't have to use n. You can use a different letter, but I'm going to go ahead and use n. N equals 1. Like I said, we're always going to start at 1 unless told otherwise. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 terms, so n from 1 to 6. There we go. And then we have to figure out our formula. So you can see here that we're adding 1 each time. So we're adding, so basically I could go through my, I could go through and use my, my arithmetic sequence formula, or I could just recognize that this is 100 plus n. Because see, in the first term, we have 100 plus 1. Second term, we have 100 plus 2. Third term, we have 100 plus 3, right? So I can just recognize that. If I recognize the formula without having to use my formula, that's fine. So that's what this would look like. You'd get the same thing if you use the arithmetic sequence formula. That would be fine. All right, so let's do number 4. So again, we have a sum from n equals 1. We have 5 terms this time, so it's going to go up to 5. And then this is literally just n, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is just n. It's just n. So that's that. Let's look at this one. So we have always summation from n equals 1. We have 6 terms, so n equals 1 to 6. And then in this one, these are powers of 2. See that? These are powers of 2. So this is 2 squared, 2 to the 3rd, 2 to the 4th, 2 to the 5th, 2 to the 6th. So this is 2 to the 1, right? So we think of that as being 2 to the n. It's 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2nd, 2 to the 3rd, 2 to the 4th, right? It's going up 1 each time, just like the term number. So this is just 2 to the n. It's 2 to the n. So, and the arithmetic sequence formula would not work on this because this is not an arithmetic sequence. So we have to look at this, recognize that these are powers of 2, and figure out what the exponent is supposed to be. All right, so one last one. We have 6 terms here. So I'm going to have the sum is n from n equals 1 to 6 of this one is a lot like this one. It's going to be 600 plus n. Okay. So that is how to write in summation notation. And I will see you in the next video.